Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two fantastic cameras to help you decide which one is right for you. We have the Panasonic LUMIX GX85 and the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. So let's dive in and see how these cameras stack up against each other. Both cameras offer impressive image quality, but the Panasonic GX85 takes the lead with its fine detail performance. With a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor and no low-pass filter, it provides a near 10% boost in fine detail resolving power compared to other sensors. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 boasts a large 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor that captures stunning images with rich detail. When it comes to video, both cameras excel. The Panasonic GX85 offers 4K video capture, allowing you to record videos in stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution. It also features exclusive Lumix 4K photo and 4K post-focus options, enabling you to capture photos up to 30 FPS and adjust focus points after the shot. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 delivers 4K movies oversampled from 6K, ensuring superior video quality with no pixel binning. For clear handheld shots, both cameras come equipped with excellent image stabilization. The Panasonic GX85 takes the lead here with its class-leading dual image stabilization. Its in-body 5-axis stabilization works in both photo and video recording, allowing you to capture stable shots even in low light conditions. The Sony ZV-E10 also offers reliable stabilization, ensuring your footage remains steady. When it comes to convenience, both cameras have their unique advantages. The Panasonic GX85 is known for its lightweight and compact design, making it perfect for travel and daily use. It also features an integrated eye-level electronic viewfinder and a tilting LCD display, providing flexibility in different shooting scenarios. On the other hand, the Sony ZV-E10 offers easy live streaming with a single USB cable and no extra hardware or software required, making it a great choice for content creators. And that wraps up our comparison of these two amazing cameras. Both the Panasonic GX85 and the Sony ZV-E10 have their strengths, so it really depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you in making an informed choice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below sharing your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.